Hello, brother. We are in a boat and we have a problem. Please help. We have a children and family in a boat. And a bit water coming up with and we don't have any transport for feeling safety. Please help me, bro. Please, please, please. We are in the water. We have a family.